Hi, this is Alexandra. At first check platform version, it should be 3.84.0 or higher. Install catalog module version 3.71.0 or higher. Set the Google API key in the platform configuration file. Video will not work without this key. Open the catalog module, select one, and find the needed product. Open Product Details blade, find Videos widget, and open it. In Videos blade you can see a list of already existed videos. Click Add button to add new one. Enter content URL. Click Create. In the new blade you will see pre-filled fields. It's automatically fill it from a YouTube description and you'll see video name, upload date, description, duration, language of this video, content URL, video preview and images. You can change these fields if needed. Click Save after this. When video already saved, it appears in Videos, but you can change priority if needed. If you want, you can remove unnecessary videos as well. That's all and thanks for watching.